Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. This is very useful information I am giving to you. Write it down everything. What is maximum amount of salt that can dissolve in water is S mole per liter. That is S solubility term, and this is for sparingly soluble salts. Okay, so only some amount will be dissolved, sparingly soluble salt. That is why we are putting salt over here. Okay, many times students are thinking why salt is written here, solid is written here, and here aqueous we are writing. This is aqueous, means solution in water, aqueous. Okay, this is solid. So because only few amount of Ag2CO3 dissociate into ions, rest of the other part will remain as such. So what is the sparingly soluble product constant, Ksp expression for the silver carbonate? You should know what is silver carbonate. Ag2CO3 is silver carbonate, twice of Ag positive and CO3 2 negative ion are obtained back after the ionization. So Ksp will be equal to, suppose I told you that it is sparingly soluble, only S amount is soluble, so 2S the amount of S is soluble, so 2S Ag positive and S carbonate ions are obtained. So Ksp will be the product of these two ions, Ag1 positive square, because 2 moles of this is obtained, so Ag silver ion square and carbonate ion. This is concentration term. Okay, so option D is correct over here. What is the solubility product constant, Ksp expression for CaCO3? Again we will write down the ionic this equilibrium equation. CaCO3 gives you Ca2 positive and CO3 2 negative, right? So solubility of calcium carbonate is S, so we will get S of Ca2 positive and S of CO3 negative, because 1:1:1 ratio is there. So if it is S, so both of them are S. Here it is ratio is 1:2:1. That is why if it is S, so we are getting 2S for silver and 1S for CO3 2 negative ion. Okay, so Ksp will be equal to S square. If in terms of S, we will write down this, and in terms of concentration we write down Ksp is equal to Ca2 molar concentration of Ca2 positive and multiplied by molar concentration of carbonate ion. So in both the terms you should know. Now here in a hurry we do CaSO4 Ca2 positive, SO4 2 negative, Ksp term SS S square. Ksp will be molar concentration of calcium and sulfate ion, product of it. CaCl2 calcium chloride is S, so Ca2 positive S and Cl negative is 2S. Ksp will be S into 2S square, that is 4S cube in terms of solubility. In terms of Ksp, Ca2 positive and Cl negative